Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and send a TikTok video there in your WhatsApp without the link. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for that, first of all, let's go and open our TikTok. So for example, if this is the video I want to share, what I'm going to do, simply tap on this share option, go ahead, save this video, and then you will get this another menu again. Go ahead, swipe and find this, tap on more and tap on WhatsApp, and now you will choose a person you would like to send. Tap on the send, and now you will say this is a video, and tap on the send option again. Now you can say this TikTok video sent there to that person as a video, not as a link from TikTok. So yes guys, this is the way you can simply go ahead and do it right there. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you guys in our next video.